Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. UPSC Mains 2022 Geography questions. As I am discussing, we have already done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are in the 7th question. So out of 10 questions that have been asked this year, right now we are in the 7th question. All the 6 videos are in the description. Please do have a check. What the question is about? It's a 250 words, 15 marks. So at least 2.5 pages should be there. I meant to say pages of 2 sides. No, that is mandatory. You can elongate it, but don't write crap. Don't waste your time by keep on doing this. What is this? Don't beat around the bush. Describe the distribution of rubber producing. So you have to concentrate on distribution. You might have done PhDs in chemistry or biology or in this particular specialization, tire factories. No, we don't want specializations here. We want just distribution. That is almost half of the question. Of rubber producing countries, distribution. Where exactly? Is it equatorial or is it in temperate region? Where? Equatorial. Where exactly in equatorial? +5 to -5 degrees, not -5, +5 north to 5 south, where we have more rainfall, more vegetation, more, there should be a more ample amount of sun. Of course, they are shade loving, but sun should be there, ample amount of rainfall should be there, and water should not be stagnant. That is one more case. All the cases have to be there. They need acidic, so mountain soils will be sufficient. So on the mountains, we can generally cultivate rubber. Right? We have synthetic, that is different. We have natural. Here we have to concentrate on natural. Right? Indicate the major environmental issues faced by them. Exactly that India has faced. Cyclone Oki suddenly came to India. Why? Because there is a huge amount of Western Ghats that has been converted from the existing rainforest into the rubber trees. This has been done from decades, and suddenly one day the climate change has started in India with Cyclone Oki and has been happening. This is the best example you can write about Cyclone Oki. Now, synthetic rubber is oil based, produced in a chemical factory. We are not concerned about that. While natural rubber comes from the trees grown in the tropical climates. Yes, only in tropical climates. US, China, Japan, several Western European countries led the market in terms of synthetic rubber. Natural, tropical climate. India is the best country. Indonesia is the best country. We have Congo, best country. Amazon also we have all the equatorial countries. In Kerala, Kerala, we have ample amount of rubber production. But not welcome. You are not welcome. Mrs. Rubber, Mr. Rubber, you are not welcome. Mr. Eraser, I like you, I want you, but don't come to India. Okay? You produce somewhere else, I'll purchase this, because in my country all the existing mahogany, ebony trees of tropical wet evergreen forest have been cut and chopped down and cultivated by this great. It looks like an ice cream, right? It looks like an ice cream in a cup, like beer or cream store. So this is how it looks. This is how you have to cut down some part of the bark, and you have to channelize such that all the milk will be segregated, and you have to take care, people will do install cameras and all. No, that's not a point, but you have to understand this. These are the countries where you get natural latex, rubber. Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam. India is the 4th place. China, Malaysia, Philippines, Guatemala, Ivory Coast in Africa, and Myanmar. These are the countries where tropical regions or equatorial regions where we get maximum amount. This distribution you have to write. Indian distribution particularly, though they have not asked exactly, but as we are Indians, we can write in the western parts of Western Ghats where we have been cut down and rubber cultivation has been increased. You can write about that. And as I said, you have to be cautious while mentioning environmental. You have to mention at least one formula, but one scheme regarding deforestation, how to stop deforestation, and one scheme of international arena, how we are, that depends upon you. You can mention about UNCCD in terms of the climate change or biodiversity, meetings or summits or Earth Summit, anyone, because there is, everyone knows, even you know the concept, but applying the particular right word, right confidence in this answer will give you maximum marks, right? The next question I will be discussing about significance of straits and isthmus in international trade. Thank you and subscribe to our channel.